We're going to be going into Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. You can take your right hand to your hip and left hand to your hip and extend your right arm forward. And then kick your right foot to catch a hold of your big toe. From here, you can extend the knee forward and think about pointing the mound of the foot, but flexing the toes towards you. Think about pulling the shoulders in line with each other. Spreading our toes wide, so we've got that stable base. And then as we exhale, start to bend the elbow, draw the nose towards the knee, and bring your gaze or drishti towards the big toe. Think about lengthening through the spine. 2 more breaths. Keep your gaze towards the big toe. And inhale, rise the torso tall, extend the elbow. We're going to be opening the right leg out towards the right side. Bring our drishti towards...
So let's say triangle poses facing this side. So as a teacher, you should come here and then demonstrate. And once the pose is done, you walk around and then find your way. Where can you go in front of face?
Squeezing the hip bones down. So instead of lifting the right hip bone, sit it down. Again, keep the resistance with the toe, curling it away from the fingers. Peace finger and thumb holding the toe. 1 more breath. Inhale, bring the leg back through to center. 1 more time, folding forward, knee to nose. Bring your gaze towards the big toe. Nice. And
inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. And exhale, jump back into Chaturanga hold. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, lift your hips, downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right leg, the right foot forward, and lift up into Virabhadrasana.
Lean towards the left side and dive from your hips, not from your spine. Stay here. Back to the center. Feet parallel to the ground. Turn your right foot.
Now as a teacher, run quick here and demonstrate always facing side, you remember?
Right. And reach your right hand to the edge of your left foot. Stay here for 3 breaths. Adjust your hips. Look at the palm. At the left hand.
The hand should be here.
Stay here for 5 breaths.
Yes.
5, 4. Your left elbow on your knee. You can rest your left elbow on your knee, or you can put your hand down.
After inhale, what should you do? Exhale.
Now, inhale in the nuts and fingers.
Inhale, arms up.
Inhale, reach your
Exhale, interlock.
Inhale, chest up. Exhale, go down. Try to push yourself down.
3, 2, 1.
Inhale, line your spine, look front. Raise your hand, look forward.
Warrior B, otherwise it's complicated. And you have to mirror. Do it right side for you. Yes.
Okay.
And now switch.
Switch. Exhale, control.
Yes.